Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on volume. The volume of any 3D object is the amount of space that exists within the sides of the object. At this stage, the volume represents the number of smaller cubes that will fit inside the given object. The units we use are cubic units. For example, if the object has its dimensions in centimetres, then the units used to express the volume are cubic centimetres. And this is the short form of writing cubic centimetres. That's how we write it in the short way. It's very efficient. Find the volume of each of these objects. Example 1. This is a cube which is 2 centimetres by 2 centimetres by 2 centimetres. Solution. The answer will tell us how many small cubes are used to construct the large cube. Each small cube looks like this one. So it's a cube which is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. Now for this cube here, there are 4 small cubes in the top row. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see them all. And 4 in the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, and then there's 1 at the back. So you have 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Hence, the volume is 8 cubic centimetres. Now this is example 2. This is a cube which is 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres. Now I've reproduced the cube here just for ease of reference. Solution. For the given cube there are 9 cubes in the top row, 3, 6, 9, 9 cubes in the middle row, and 9 cubes in the bottom row. So the volume is 27 cubic centimetres. Example 3. Now this here is not a cube because the lengths of the sides are different. This is a rectangular prism. So we have to find the volume of this rectangular prism. So for the solution, for the rectangular prism to the left, there are 15 cubes in the top row. That's that row there, that top row there. 15 cubes in the next row, which is this one all the way along. 15 cubes in the next row. And 15 cubes in the bottom row. So when we add those together, the volume is 60 cubic centimetres. Later on, we will see how to calculate the volume using a quicker, more efficient method. So this video has introduced us to the basic idea of volume, and we've seen how to find the volume by adding up the number of small cubes.